fried rice and grilled tilapia fish, fried plantain. Guys, this combo is bad. You want to see how I make it? Guys, welcome to Lolo Nkechi's kitchen. Today I am making fried rice. Here is my rice. I'm using the president rice. Here I've already parboiled it. Here I've got my chopped carrots, my peas, and my sweet corn. Here is my chopped gizzard. Here is my red beans. This is optional, but I love using it when making my fried rice. Here I've got my red pepper, green bell pepper, and I'm using the orange one also. And here is my chicken stock. So these are all the ingredients I'll be needing for my rice. So let's start cooking. So you can see I reduced the vegetables because I want to start frying it bit by bit, as you can see that. And in this rice I didn't add curry. Your fried rice must not be yellow, you know. As you can see mine, there is no curry in this rice and it's looking so good. I don't like adding curry to my fried rice. So just for those that think if you have not added curry to have that yellowish color, you have not prepared fried rice. No. You can still make your fried rice to be white and nice. So lastly, I'll be adding my spring onions. I forgot to introduce it at the beginning. So I'm adding spring onions and our rice is ready. So this is the same process I'm going to make for the remaining. As you can see, I still have a lot of rice. So I'm just going to fry the rest just like this. So guys, this is the finished look of our fried rice, and I'm serving it with tilapia fish, grilled tilapia fish on fried plantain. So if you have watched to this moment, I want to say thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye bye.